We're at Profox is a Danish based company that mainly do rental, but also some installs. We do mostly of our jobs in Denmark, but also around Scandinavia. First of all, the communication with Absen have been great from the start. They have really listened to our questions, and the answer has been great. A great communication with Absen. And we have now done our first gig with the big screen, and all our technicians' reply is the best screen we've ever had at Profox. So right now we're really happy about the new products. It's always nice to see where the product is made, but also seeing how the people are treated. And after the factory visit we did here, I'm impressed of the company, and the tour was great. It's really nice to see how the product is made.
Oh, it was the quality control of things. It's good to see that you are testing all the products through all environments, how quality control details follow the PCB from the start to the end of the production. Because often many products just make a product and don't test them. Absen is a high-end LED screen manufacturer with good values and honest people. The most I look at is the hardware and the picture quality, and also find the best solution for our kind of projects. So it has to be easy to build and handle, and don't need to explain people how to build it. But also it has to be reliable, it has to be stable, and have excellent performance. And therefore we are looking at Absen because they have some high requirements for their screens, and also the hardware is more rental friendly. First of all, the JP5 Pro was because we need a real touring screen to do big LED screens in Denmark, and JP5 Pro was the best. We have to have a screen that we can do creative stuff with, but we also have a screen it's approved by Danish technicians and strong enough to handle the Danish touring market, where JP5 Pro is excellent.
I will say cheapest is not always best. Buying cheap products is nice for the first time you use it, but because of the wear and tear, using a little bit more money on a great product is higher quality. I will say keep moving forward, making new products, because what you do right now is fantastic, but you can do better. Everybody can do better every day.